What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are at Queen City Autoholics numero dos. That's right, it's their second meet. We're here and I'm excited to show y'all some sick whips, so definitely check out my last video right here in the cards to see Cars and Coffee Charlotte if you haven't already though. But I'm ready to show y'all some sick whips, so let's get into it. Bronco boys sounding crazy. Blacked out plaid gold wheels. What a beautiful spec here. Over 1,000 horsepower with the steering wheel chopped in half. This thing is it's pretty tasty. R35 GTR boys, of course. Welcome to the crew. Welcome to the gang. That's right. 3.8 liters of a twin turbocharged V6 right here, people. The main man Antonio's Audi R8 V10. This thing is an absolute beauty. I mean, just look at that thing. Lime green calipers as well. That V10 sounds so good to the ears. Man, it's crazy that the R8s and the Huracans share the same engine, basically. SVJ, of course, 6.5 liters of a V12, naturally aspirated, pulling right on in, Gentani exhaust, 759 horsepower to the crank of this beast right here. It's not the Roadster. As a matter of fact, it's actually quite much better than the Roadster, this thing right here. But that color though, oh my god. That lime green, absolutely insane, is it not? Let's go listen to this exhaust. Absolutely ear-piercing. This thing, man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to have my eardrums at the end of the day. The main man, J-Rod, 630 wheel horsepower in that Z. I mean, just look at those fat-ass tires in the rear. That is the homie indeed. JDM boys lining up. Gotta love it, man. Another Audi R8 V10 pulling right on in. Damn, that thing is so clean. Twin turbo, these things are freaking disgusting though. I mean, but honestly, man, you get an R8, you gotta get the exhaust on. You have to. Otherwise, it just sounds like a kitty. And if it isn't the main man Craig pulling up in the F8 Tributo, that's right, we're talking a twin turbo V8 right here. From yours truly, Italiano Ferrari. Yeah, man, that thing is crazy. Kinda wish they put a V12 in this though. Why? Because V12s are freaking aggressive as hell, and I just love the sound of them. Yo, look at the curves on this thing, man. It's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely. Look at that thing. That front fascia is phenomenal. Porsche 918 Spyder pulling right ahead, pulling on in. That is right, Martini spec, of course. What a beautiful hybrid vehicle. Oh my goodness. Talk about cars in the $1 million range right over here. That thing is incredible. Man, such a beautiful whip. 600 LT. Oh, doggo. But this 600 LT though, man, that thing is a beauty. Look at the spec on that, man. Jeez. 911 2011 GT3 pulling through. That thing is so damn crispy. Look at this whip. Oh my God. What a beautiful car. Still couldn't go up against the 911 Turbo S though, but the rear end of this thing, that's beautiful. Oh, all right, boys. Man, I love the color on that thing. Pristine, beautiful. Well, look at this G80 M3 though. The color in that thing is crispy. Yes, indeed. 488 Pista gang pulling through twin turbo V8s for sure. Are you taking the red one right here, or are you going silver? These things are absolutely amazing whippies. Look at that thing, man. Beautiful. Gotta show love to the old school Raris though. The Countach, man, this thing is just screaming pure nostalgia. I mean, literally take a trip back in time when you look at the interior in here. Man, look at this, man. Look at the shift knob. It's like gated manual, bro. This thing is so insane, bro. And the wheels are on a whole other level. Yet again, another SVJ coming through. The homie Tom's beautiful car. Man, that thing is amazing, especially next to the Countach. Old, new. Wow. The homie CJ in the 570 GT right here. Thing is looking pretty crispy. Very nice, very nice. He also brought out his C8 Corvette right here. JDM Honda boys, of course. We got some baggy boys, well, static boys. But yeah, this thing is pretty wild. Look at the Lambo doors in this, man. We got
What's up? There's the man of the hour right here. That's a great man.
Yeah, thank you, Siege. Thank you, Siege. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We got the Lambo doors on the McLeasy.
Oh yeah.
F80 M3 pulling through, looking crispy. Damn, that thing is beautiful. You can see the intakes in it too. Yes, sir, skis. That's a beautiful car, man. GTR gang pulling through R35 Gojira in the flesh. Yeah, that's crazy though. AMG boys too. What you think about it? Boysteiner Huracan boys. This one right here, absolutely crispy. Look at the hood on that, and also the yellow calipers. Sitting behind the wheel of this thing, oh man, spectacular. Check out the review I did on this bad boy right up in the cards if you haven't already though. But that thing is a beauty to drive. One of my favorite sounding Huracans, of course, tuned by Boysteiner. A beauty indeed. 720S in this beautiful teal. What an amazing car. Oh my God. Look at that, man. But you gotta show love to the M6s, the Pontiac boys, the Trans Ams. Wow, dude. Oh, this is screaming nostalgia. Vintage Ferrari boys, the Testarossa. That is insane, man. Wow. A beauty. Jeez. GT3 RS super tasty. We also have a Mad Max Porsche pulling through too. This thing is crazy. Look at the wheels on that, man. Of course, you know, we gotta have the spare rear mounted on the back. Queen City Autoholics Part 2 Numero Dos was lit. Definitely go ahead and check out some TunerGodz merch right down below if you haven't already. But with all that being said and done, yo, we're gonna wrap this up right here. So you already know, peace, love, sleep, and grease. Like, share, and subscribe. For more vlogs, videos like this one, because Osaze vlogs.
I say fling it back on me. Chatty batty and drip on a beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup never free. Yeah, they looking at your eye, tell me